Question I always get all the time. If I'm coming to Medellin, Colombia, and I got money from my home country, where do I get it exchanged? A lot of times people just tell you, go to the airport, which is a no. One, because their rates are gonna be horrible. And two, these ATM fees, they can get crazy. So the solution I found was these guys, 1FX. So I stumbled upon this place when I was on my way to the 24-hour grocery store. I'm gonna mess it up. Carulla. Right across from Sante Mall. And I went over there and I had a few $100 USD in my pocket. And I was like, let me see if they will give me a great rate. And they did. The one cool thing is that their process is right in the open. So when you give them the money, you see that money go through the money machine like this. And when it's done, it gives you a printout of the serial numbers of the currency it just counted. So you can't be like, hey, some of these bills that you gave me are counterfeit. Nah. So they gave me my pesos, and of every transaction, they give you a little money chocolate, which is like, isn't that crazy? As of right now, they have euros, USD, and Mexican pesos. I came back there so many times that the staff made me a staff member. Look at me, I'm just giving money to people now. I want to thank 1FX for always giving me the best rates. And make sure you check them out when you're in Medellin. You already know what's up. Follow for more. Peace!